Hi guys, this is Ms. Regine from Soar Educational Services, and today we're going to work on an SAT problem. So here we are given a table for line H, and then it says that line K is a result of translating line H. It was actually down 5 units, sorry I did not write that. And it says, what is the x-intercept of line K? So to begin solving this one, since I have a line, I'm going to use the equation y equals mx plus b. Now I do need to figure out the slope of this line. So I can use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. On the SAT, you probably really won't have time to do all this. So probably I would just do 160 minus 30 is 30, 23 minus 18 is 5, 30 divided by 5 is 6. That is basically this formula. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. So now I know the slope is 6. And I do know one of the points, well actually I know 3 of the points, but I'm going to use the smallest one that I know right here, and I can solve for b. So 6 times 18, that is 108, and we have 108 plus b, and now we can minus 108 on both sides, and we get b equals 22. So for line H, the y-intercept is 22. Now, line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units. So for line K, I do know now that the y-intercept is 17. So I need to solve for line K. So let me erase this right here. So what I do know for line K is that it did say a vertical translation. So only the y is going down. So if I had to make a table for line K, it would be like this, which again, you would not spend your time doing this, but just to show you where this is coming from. So everything remains the same. So it's just that, so you can see right here, everything remains the same. It's just that we have moved it down 5 units. So these are the new points for line K. So going back, let's figure out the x-intercept for line K. So x-intercept is when y equals 0. But I do know the b is 17. If we wanted to solve it, we could, but I do know like it's just been moved down. It was 22, so it's going to be 17. So what I can do is using my new points now, y for line K is 125. And oh, that's just I would only need that to solve for b. Sorry. So now I need to find the x-intercept. So the x-intercept is when y equals 0. We know that this is 6. We know the slope is 6, and we know the b is 17. So earlier, what I was going to do was plug in that point that I just made with 18 and 125, but then I realized I really don't need to waste time to solve for b, because I know translating something down 5 units means that it went from 22 to 17. So again, with the SAT, time is of the essence, so you would not want to spend the time solving that out. You want to be able to figure that out in advance, that if something has been translated down 5 units, if the y-intercept was 22, now it's 17. So we can just plug in our y is 0, we're solving for x, because we're solving for the x-intercept, and we do know the y-intercept is 17. So what we have here is 6x plus 17. We can minus 17 on both sides. So we have negative 17 equals 6x, and divide by 6, x equals negative 17 over 6. So that is our x-intercept for line K. You would just write that fraction in on the SAT, and that would be it. So I hope this was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe, and comment about any other type of videos that you would like to see, and I'll see you next time. Bye.